With the exception of the assertion that Ripple created XRP, Ripple has once more refuted, according to an American banker. Ripple had a role in the establishment of central bank digital currencies. Does the new development imply that the Ripple conflict will be settled at some point? To learn more, please watch the entire video. Additionally, if you'd want to stay updated on our XRP news, like and subscribe to support us and help us bring you more XRP updates. With all that been said, let's move on. Through its official Twitter account, Ripple this week formally declared its support for Money 2023 Europe, one of the most important financial conferences in the world. This official declaration from Ripple is noteworthy because it comes after a prior story that said the business was looking to finance the initiative, as confirmed by a top executive. Today was the last day of the event, and over 8,000 people showed up, including Ripple. Participants can expect the chance to talk with corporate officials, as Ripple is the event sponsor, at both a 150 and a demonstration of its innovative solutions. Ripple will highlight the revolutionary potential of blockchain technology to disrupt the financial industry. According to estimates from March, Ripple's University Blockchain Research Initiative has provided financing for more than 1,000 research projects at 45 institutions. The Project Money 2023 Europe is merely the most recent on a lengthy agenda that also covers cryptocurrency and insurance. A number of efforts that will expand the usage of blockchain technology have continued to receive backing from Ripple. The Blockchain Symposium was financed by the institution Akiem University, a spectacular event experience. Remember to click on the subscribe and notification bell to get updated whenever we post new videos. David Schwartz, the chief technology officer of Ripple, and an unnamed on-chain investigator got into a heated argument about the origins of Zapit. Schwartz attempted to disprove claims that the corporation Ripple invented SERP, the developer of the XRP, and the developer of the XRP-based NFT community. In a recent tweet from the fraud investigator executor, the SEC detective stated that in December 2012, Ripple formed XRP by altering the code he used to reset his wallets, despite the fact that XRP had already existed when Ripple was created. He asserted in the XRP ledger that a new currency called XAP was produced as a result of the code reset. That new currency called exist as a result of the code reset. Detective brought up the Schwartz fraud and questioned whether Ripple's efforts were applied to the XRP launch. Schwartz retorted that the logic advanced to support the claim was illogical. He contrasted it to Bitcoin Cash and noted that individuals had already acquired it after it was created without the designer's assistance. In response, Schwartz questioned if altering system policies and practices in order to benefit from Ethereum switch to proof of stake will result in updated versions of dated assets. The Ripple Q illustrated this point by citing the events surrounding the development of XRP, noting that while new ledger regulations and accounting SAPS's invention had resulted in the emergence of systems, the earlier laws and frameworks were no longer applicable. To his credit, more specifically, Schwartz contrasted the Bitcoin fork, emphasizing that regardless of whether side had prevailed, it would not have been regarded as the creation of Bitcoin or a new currency. Schwartz asserts that XRP predates Ripple, which is consistent with the transferred assets. New Coin, later known as OpenCoin and Ripple Labs, was founded by Chris Larsen. After that, the XRP founders donated to the corporation and put 80% of the XRP supply in escrow. American Banker, a trade newspaper based in Manhattan that focuses on the financial services industry, has emphasized Ripple's attempts to develop mechanisms for dozens of digital currencies to collaborate. In an article published yesterday, American Banker claimed that Ripple had just recently released its CBC platform to provide this governance. According to American Banker, financial organizations and central banks can create their own national stablecoins and digital currencies using Ripple's CBC platform after eliminating the obstacles to cross-border payments using blockchain technology. Ripple is dedicated to creating CBCs for various financial institutions throughout the world. The study showed that Ripple already makes products to make foreign payments simpler for online bust. Companies using the recently released CBC platform, the XR Peer coin is powered by distributed ledger technology, which is used by Ripple. A U.S. banker claims that is working to integrate different digital currencies. The blockchain company Ripple, based in Silicon Valley, will give interoperability first priority as it manages the business. Cases for wholesale and retail CBCs. Joe Volamo, who is the Director of Business Development for CBCs at Ripple, claims that the CBC platform is designed to address consumer and commercial use cases for digital currencies. The program includes the crucial functionality such as creating and dispersing currencies, exchanging coins for cash, and destroying coins, among others. The RippleNet platform, which has evolved into a platform for international payments with services dedicated to cryptocurrencies such as rapid settlement, credit lines, and liquidity, has been carried on recently by the CBC platform based on Volano's analysis. The Ripple platform is used as the base for this foundation. Financial firms like Trainalo Money claim that both exchanges allowed for the trade of cryptocurrency assets that were classified as securities in breach of federal securities law among advocates of cryptocurrencies and have used Ripple's payment network for international transactions. Talk has started because of an action in a series of tweets. Leading cryptocurrency specialists claim that the regulator's decision is connected to the Commission's legal action against the creator of Desert Capital. The section will be able to counter that its loss in the Ripple case is unique to the facts surrounding the XRP issue and not indicative of the larger regulatory landscape. The fact that known cryptocurrency journalist Zach Rector predicted that the SEC and Ripple will likely negotiate a settlement in this area is remarkable given the size of the industry. Even though Rector's statement came an hour after the SEC filed a lawsuit against Coinbase, he withheld additional information on the prospective settlement. A cryptocurrency supporter using the alias claimed that the recent campaign by the SEC against exchanges wouldn't have happened if the SEC's case against Ripple hadn't been resolved instead. The SEC would not have gone forward with its lawsuit against Binance and Coinbase. Additionally, Baba says that the Ripple conflict has been settled in response to the most recent development. A member of the XRP community by the name of Ashley Prosper said that the SEC chose Binance while Coinbase makes no allegations that Ripple was unsuccessful in the summary judgment. Additionally, I think Prosper's continuous investment in Coinbase will be successful when the wind bids us good night. Keep in mind that Judge Torres has not yet rendered a decision regarding the request for summary judgment in the Ripple litigation. Judge Torres is anticipated to announce a decision at any time, but before he does, many XRP backers anticipate that the parties will likely reach a settlement. The video has come to an end, gentlemen. Don't forget to like it and enable the notification bell if you found this video informative. Don't forget to also support our channel by pressing the subscribe and notification bell. Thank you for watching.